This is One Fix Repairs. Today we did a battery replacement for iPhone. This is the old battery, and as you can see, it is worn, and signs of poor battery health is no charge, very little, constantly having to charge it over and over, excessively, and even if you see the screen lifting, that could be a swollen battery as well. So today the phone wasn't able to turn on due to low battery, so we had to charge it a little bit, and we replaced it with a premium battery, and for the XS models there will not be any display message, so you don't have to worry about any of that. Comes with a limited lifetime warranty, so if you have any problems, you don't have to worry about that. So 100% health, and it's also extended capacity compared to the original Apple battery, which comes with a little less, 26 mAh. This is 30-50 mAh. So this takes no more than 45 minutes or less, and we come to you curbside repair. So if you need a quote, feel free to DM me or call my number, and yep, One Fix Mobile out.